So the new MagViber XRP is featuring our XRP technology that we introduced together with the MagAura XRP some time back. Some of the unique points with this new technology is less weight on the product. We have managed to design a product that is 2 kilo or 4 pounds less than the original Viber. On the noise side, we have a product that is as low noise as the Mag Encore that have become an industrial standard for the theater market. In the MagViber XRP, we are using our light recycling technology. Basically, we have the light engine emitting light towards the gobos. They are reflecting light back into the light engine and reactivating the phosphor in the LEDs, and they are emitting more light. With that, we are gaining 20 to 25% more light when using gobos. The general mass of products out there is dimming the light engine when that is happening because the phosphor in the LEDs are silicon based. We are using a ceramic phosphor that can cope with the heat. Our XRP technology is eliminating any dimming when using gobo, colors or any other feature.